Let's do it.
We hope you're enjoying listening to KBLA Talk 1580. We appreciate you spending your weekdays with us. Now we're giving you more great shows to listen to on the weekends as well.
Get up and do my thing.
Starting Saturday, October 2nd, KBLA Talk 1580 is premiering a variety of new weekend talk shows. Shows like Before You Go, featuring wisdom from our elders and griots, Urban Family Focus, Areva Martin Out Loud, Legal Lens with attorney Angela Reddick Wright, Urban Wellness Now with Cynthia Brooks, The Backstory with Mache Duffy, Cafe Mocha with Yo-Yo, Lonnie Love and Angelique Paris, The Sweet Spot with Angelique Francis, KBLA's Lyric Lounge with Tasha, Teal and Ural, Craig Facts with comedian Craig Smith, and more. And, of course, BLM's This Is Not a Drill, and the best of State of the Black Union continue exclusively here on KBLA Talk 1580. So, plenty of reasons to tune in on the weekends, starting Saturday, October 2nd. More empowerment, more inspiration, more entertainment. Only on KBLA Talk 1580. We've got a lot to talk about.
Get up and do my thing.